Now, students, due to technical difficulties and me accidentally cutting off the other video, I'm starting with part 2, where you will start cutting these slits in your Venn diagram. So, let me put the camera down and show you how to cut the slits in your paper. If you look very closely, you'll see these dotted lines here. This is where we want to cut. So, let's do that now. So, as you can see, after you cut, you have 3 tabs, okay? 3 individual tabs. And before we do anything with putting it in the daybook, I want you to take that title bar that's at the top, as you can see right there. Take the title bar and fold it, because this is where you will actually put your glue, and this is where you will attach it in your daybook. So right now it looks like this. It looks a little bent out of shape and a little shapeless. But now let's go to our daybook. I'm going to demonstrate in my planning book that I have from my classes. I'm going to go to my English 90 section, because that's the section that you are in. And you see I come to a clean whole page. But if you only have a half clean page, that's fine too. Now, before you do any pasting, you see that the diagram can fit this way, in other words, horizontally, or it can fit this way, which is vertically. Because you will be writing up under your Venn diagram, I suggest that you glue it down like this, okay? So I'm going to take a moment and use my glue stick and glue only the tab where the title is. I don't want to glue the flaps, because I need the flaps to be able to move. And what I will do, because this is just me, as neatly as possible, I will align it to a line in the book, and then I will press it down and make sure that it gets into the daybook. I would suggest you move it over a little bit closer to the crease, because some of mine is hanging off the page, but it will work. So, there is your Venn diagram. Now, you may ask, well, Miss Sanders, what are we going to do now that we have our Venn diagram in our day books? Well, you are going to actually begin to put your description of your illustration paragraph, what an illustration paragraph is, under this flap. Just under this flap. You just want all that writing to go under that flap. Okay? Your description of your description paragraph, how weird, a description of a description paragraph, goes here. And then if they have any characteristics that are alike, then you want to put it under the middle tab. Just under the middle tab. We will talk about this in class on Monday, so you need to have it done for Monday. Also, the illustration paragraph and the description paragraph, you can find specific information about those 2 paragraphs on the first page of each chapter. Remember, the illustration paragraph was in chapter 2, and your description paragraph is in chapter 3 of your text. If you have any questions, you need to email me, and I'll help you out as much as possible. But I hope this video was helpful. Have a good day.